Many people
Great
believe
job, everyone!
that success must
Congratulations
be
on the
seen
launch.
and
We
heard.
did it!
They think successful people must talk about their progress, show their achievements, and prove their value. But real success often grows quietly, without attention.
Great
Noah
presentation.
was a man
Wonderful
who
job,
did not
team.
enjoy noise.
Thank you all so much!
He did not like competition. He did not like
散能取
showing
暖
off.
請談，派寧睇
At
讀嘅
work,
難，
he focused on
攤
his
穿事啲談
tasks.
是點查，怕執
He
起
did
身
not
力。
talk much in meetings. Some people believed he lacked ambition. But Noah had a quiet plan. Every morning, Noah arrived early. He reviewed his work carefully. He learned from his mistakes. When others rushed, Noah stayed calm. When others complained, Noah stayed focused. He did not post about his
I
effort.
don't understand why this isn't
He
compiling.
did
It
not
keeps crashing
explain
the whole
his
interface.
goals.
You just missed a closing bracket right
He
here.
believed
Try
that
adding it
work
there.
done
that
in
makes sense.
silence
Thank you.
had
We just
more
need to
meaning.
visualize the dependencies this way.
At
By mapping
first,
the data flow here, the solution
Noah
becomes clear.
felt invisible.
Wow, that connects everything.
People
I
did
don't
not
understand why
notice
this
his
isn't
effort.
compiling. It keeps crashing the whole interface.
Sometimes
You
this
just missed a
made
closing
him
bracket
doubt
right
himself.
Here. Try adding it there.
Oh, that makes sense.
But he
Thank you.
continued. He trusted the process. While others compared themselves, Noah improved his skills. While others chased quick results, Noah built long-term value. Years
Please,
passed.
hold on. I'm not sure what's
One
happening.
day, Noah was
It
offered a
seems we have a
leadership
critical
role.
failure.
People were surprised. They asked, "Why him?" The answer was simple. Noah was consistent. Noah was reliable. Noah worked without noise. Noah understood something important.
Settle down, please.
Loud success
I know
needs
there have been
constant
rumors regarding
energy.
the open position. We are
Quiet
fortunate to have
success
such
grows
excellent
naturally.
candidates.
Even after success, Noah stayed the same. He did not become loud.
Mistake.
He did not seek attention. He focused on responsibility. Quiet success gave Noah peace. Peace of mind. Peace from comparison. Peace from pressure. If you feel unnoticed, remember this. Quiet work is not wasted. Silence is not failure. Silence is preparation. Success does not need noise. Success needs patience. And patience grows best in silence.